thunderstorm in the jungle. And Spunky were walking in the rainforest when they heard a loud swoosh sound. What is that noise? asked Spunky. It's the wind, said Pepe. The wind was blowing and moving the clouds in the sky. Soon the sky turned dark. Pepe and Spunky heard another noise, a loud room. Did you hear that? asked Spunky. Yes, said Pepe. Listen to the thunder. It's thunder. A bright column of light turned far away in the sky. Do you see that? asked Spunky. Yes, it's raining, said Pepe. The thunder and lightning stopped. Then they heard another noise over the treetops. What is that? asked Spunky. The rain, said Pepe. So it's hard to rain hard. Pepe and Spunky were getting soaked. Pepe flew to a tree and cut a branch with his beak. He turned the big leaf back to Spunky. What is that? said Spunky. It's an umbrella, said Pepe. An umbrella! What a great idea, said Spunky. And they both watched the rain under their umbrella.